Good morning, students. This is Mrs. Pragya Giri, your computer teacher. Welcome back you all to the online classes of session 2020-21. In previous lecture, we have studied how to change the appearance of windows, how to customize the taskbar, how to auto hide the taskbar, and some basic introduction about arrow pick features. Okay, and also configuring date and time. Now let's start the next topic, that is configuring the mouse. As I have already told in the previous class that control panel is the overall controller and manager of your MS Windows. So you can also make changes in the settings of your mouse. You can change the pointers type. Pointers type means when you open the computer in the screen and when you move the mouse, you will see one arrow, one cursor. Okay, that arrow's shape you can change with the help of control panel. Whether you want hand shape, circle shape, positive sign shape, whatever you want, you can change the shape of the pointer. Pointer's movement speed, how much fast or slow it is moving on the screen, that motion also you can change with the help of control panel. Double click speed means pressing the mouse button twice, that also you can make it slower or faster according to your choice. Fourth one is pointer trail. What is pointer trail? It is a trail of row or arrows that appear while moving across the screen, making it easier to locate the cursor. Pointer trail means when you move the mouse, you will see one pointer is there, one arrow shape button is there. That if you open pointer trail, that arrow will see 8 to 10 times, means like a shadow of the arrow. Why we are using pointer trails? To locate our pointer or cursor easily in the window or screen. Okay, now to make changes in the mouse settings, follow the given steps. First of all, if you want to change pointers type, movement speed, double click speed or trails, you have to open what? Control panel. In that you will get an option hardware and sound. If you click on that, you will get first option, see device and printers. In that you see third sub option, mouse. When you click on mouse, all the settings of mouse will be displayed. Okay, changing the button configuration means if you are a right-handed person, do not select the switch primary and secondary button checkbox. If you are a left-handed person, select the checkbox, click apply OK button. It interchanges the button functions. Now you are able to click, double click and drag using right mouse button. Means, as you know, everybody has seen the mouse. There are only two buttons in the mouse. First one is the right mouse button, second one is left mouse button. This both buttons, if you want to interchange it, means right one if you want to make left and left one if you want to make right, that also possible in control panel option. Okay, now changing the double speed. Changing the double click speed, if you want to make changes in that, where you have to go, you have gone to hardware and sound, then you have moved to which button? Hardware and sound, then device and printers, third subtopic mouse. In when you open that mouse folder, you will see first option, that is button configuration. In that you will change the button configuration. In that only second box is there written as double click speed. Okay, when you move the slider to the left side, okay, your double click speed will be slower, and if you will move to the right side, your double click speed will be faster. After that, last, see OK, cancel and apply. So what you will be doing, you will click on apply and then OK button. Then your double click speed will be changed. Left side it will make slow, right side it will make fast. Okay. Next is your changing the pointers type. Means if you want to change the structure or shape of your pointer. Okay, first of all, after button configuration, see pointers are there. You have to click on pointers tab. Okay, then you have to select the pointers type, which shape you want. Okay, from customize list. Okay, now then click the browse button. When you will click the browse button, many types of shapes and structure will be open. Okay, now click the pointer shape of your choice. Now click the open button. When you will click the open button, what will happen? Your previous, means your old shape of pointer will be replaced by new shape of pointer which you have chosen. Okay. Now click the apply button, then OK button. Okay. So in this way you can change your pointers type also, pointers movement speed also, double click speed also, and pointers trail also. That finishes your chapter. Thank you, students.